Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to HNM Technologies online training. And in a video 10 and 11, we learn for loop and while loops. They're powerful, but sometimes we need more control over what happens inside the loop. Like think about the situations. You are searching for a student's name in a list. Since we created the list for students, in that list we need someone guy name. And the moment you find it, why we need to keep searching? uh, just we just need to stop that searching. Okay, once we get a result, we need to stop searching, right? And you are printing marks for all students, but you want to skip students who didn't submit the exam, and you are writing a function that's not ready yet. Okay, well, in a programming, in middle of the programming, something you need to update later, but you don't know now. So at that time, we need to skip that one, right? So, but we can't skip that with something space like that. At the time, Python gives you an error. So this is the three situations we need to face and how overcome the situations. There we come, the special three keywords: break, continue, pass. Break will do exit the loop immediately, and continue skip current step and go to next one. And pass is like a do nothing, just a placeholder without getting a error. And it's a very simple words and powerful effects. Okay, let's go through this. Let me open VS Code. Yeah, this is our VS Code. And now, what is a break? Since I said break is a image, immediately exits the loop. No matter how many iterations are left, Python just jumps out and continues with the code after the loop. So let me write without breaks first. Without use break statement, without break statement, write like for I in a range from 1 to 11. I'm going to print 11. So this is the output here. What is output? So without getting print, I'd like to print output here only. Output is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what if I want with a break statement? Here you can see for I in a range of 1 to 11. So it will exactly print 1 to 10 numbers. But here, if I equals to 5, I just give break here. I'm now print. So see, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 without it getting printed. It breaks. It exits the loop, right? This is what exactly happens when you use a break statement. We just give a break here with when if satisfy the situations, then it breaks. This is exactly. Now, the most common real world use in break is we'll go with the real world examples. So now we got a clarity what is a break, right? We give a break when our situation when you need to satisfy such situations when then we break. Like since we already have our students list, so this is the students list. Yeah, I'm going to give search. I'm taking input right from user and a student from search. Now found false. I take found as a false. If nothing was found, the name is not in a list. In this situation, what will now like for student and a students list. Okay, if a student equal to search, I'm going to print as a found in list, found is true, and break. If not found, okay, if it is not found, what will happen? Print search is not found in the list. So you can see understand this program. I'm just taking a first student student variable called in a student list. If it is for each student, if the student is equal to such is taken from input, whatever the input I give or user, that's a true, and it's a break. I'm going to break. I'm not going to search for next name. Like for loop, what we'll do, it iterates complete the list of students, right? And if not found, what will happen? Search is not found in the list. We'll see. When we run this, what is our enter the name of the student to search. Search. I check Arjun is my name. And Arjun is found in the list. And just checking Arjun is found in the list. And it's not asking for another name to find. But what if I want to name Raghav? Okay, so Raghav is not in the list. It exit from the loop, right? It won't asking for to search again or something, right? This is what exactly. If it is we just giving such input and it is not found, then it's come out. If it is found, it's just saying this is found. Okay, this is how loops work. We'll go to search break in a for loop. We'll put down another example. I'm going to take a marks. So this is the marks, and I'm taking print marks for students. Yeah. For mark and marks, if mark is less than equal to less than 40, yeah, less than 40, we consider as a fail, right? So that's why we're taking fail. Yeah, is a failing mark. And it's a here we're going to take a break. Yeah, break and remaining print mark is a passing mark, right? So here we don't have any number, any mark less than 40. So let me run this. 85 is a passing mark, 14 mark, passing mark. Everything is a passing mark. I'm going to insert a failing marks. This is a 34, right? And 26, right? This is the failing marks I had. So now see, 34 is a failing mark. Where is it 26? Yeah, yeah, it's only taking one failing mark. Then it's just break this complete program. It's not checking where there is another failing mark like a 26 is a failing mark and 39 also failing mark, but it's not here because we just here we say break. Whenever we'll get a failing mark, we'll break it. Yeah, see, this is our failing mark. This is what how this is a break statement. It just break. It won't it won't go for another iteration. Right? And we'll use a break in a while system, while loops. In a while loop, so yeah, while while true, age taking from a user input. Okay, if that age is if one is less than equal to age and 100, I'm going to print your age years of what. Okay, I'm begging valid input received. Else, I'm going to print invalid age. Please enter a valid age between 1 to 100. Okay, so my output should be 1 to 10 always. So because of that, I told you. Now see the output here. Enter your age 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 27. See, you're 27 years old, right? But I try to triple six. Invalid age, please enter a valid age between 1 to 100. See how efficiently it working. So when your age is greater than 100, just breaking and prints invalid age and that valid age between 1 to 100, right? This is how we also break. So just remember break is like skipping, not skipping, just exit from the loop when the condition is satisfied. Okay, this is what break. And without getting late, we go to continue. Continue is like bit different. Same, same like break. And continue. What we'll do is like just skipping this particular one thing, one line. We'll see. Like, oh, yeah, for higher range of 1 to 11. I write. I'm going to print I, my, and the output is 1 to 10. These are my numbers. And for higher range 1 to 11. Okay. If like your previous one, if I equal to I was double equal to, I'm not assigning, I'm just matching it. If my I is matching with 5, I continue, then I'm print. See, output here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missed. See, because I'm just skipping this 5. And if I give break here, it exit from the loop, but I gave continue here. So that's why without exiting, and it prints the remaining numbers, right? See, if I give break, you can see the output here. I'll try to print. See, firstly, it prints 1 to 110 numbers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 5, after 5, it was not print. And if I continue, it skips 5 number. See, 1, 2, 3, 5 is not there, 6, 7, 8, 10. I just skip the particular condition when it's true. Okay, then remain as it is. That's the pass. That's the content. Now, let me see what is a pass. We have break, we have continue, and what if it is a pass? Pass is literally a do nothing, like do nothing statement. Python reads it a move on. No action, no error. Okay. Why would we want do nothing? The main reason it's a placeholder when you are planning to code but have not written it. Empty blocks. Like Python doesn't allow empty blocks. So pass will fill the gap. Like I'll show you. So if true, if true, I don't here I want nothing here, nothing here. So I just won't print and give syntax error. Okay. If true, I don't know what I have to print, but I'll keep thinking, and later I'll print something here, but it won't take me. So instead of this, if I take a pass, see, it won't give any error. See, no error, no indentation error, no syntax error. This is in these situations, I'll print later whatever I want. I'm going to think about it, and later I'll print if it is true. I'll print whatever I want. Okay. This is the situations we use pass. Mm, I'll give you the example for this one. So marks, I'm going to take a this is the marks, and for mark in marks, right? If the mark is greater than equal to 40, I'm going to use a passing mark. Else, I don't know what to print in else statement, so just simply use a pass. Okay. In the situations, it won't give any error. Just passing mark, passing mark, passing mark. Okay. Whatever the greater than 40, all these works. And else, I don't know what to print. So just give pass. Okay. This is the we use pass. And skipping specific cases silently, like I'd like to take numbers. Numbers, yeah, 1 to 5. I would like to do more than 1 to 5. 6, yeah, 10. Now, for number in numbers, I'm get to if is number is divisible by 2, it is even number. Else, not here pass. I'm not printing this. This is the print. Here I would like to give pass, right? Yeah. Else, I'm going to print. This is odd number. The number is odd number. Now see, 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. But we're not printing even numbers because I just give pass here. So if you want anything skip anything specifically, we use pass like this also. Okay. So we are getting only output is odd numbers. Like this we use. Okay. And very key difference is pass does nothing. Loop continues normally, including the rest of the current iterations. But continue skips the rest of the current iteration, jumps to the next, but it just skip the current one only. And it breaks and it come out of the loop whenever the so statement or a condition is true. Okay. Now what we call keywords like break, continue, pass. We know what exactly break do. Continue, pass. So let me give you some practical practice questions to get a more understanding about the. Okay. Mm, I'll give practice questions. First one, look through numbers 1 to 20 and print only prime numbers and only even numbers. And I'm going to give you a program and just give me what is the output and test step by step before it's done. Okay, it is the output of the following code. Okay, and for I in a range of 1 to 6, right? And if 3 continue and and if I that is equal to 4 in this case break, right? And print I. So just guess the what is the output for this program and press back it step by steps before running. Okay, yeah, that's it. So that's it for today with this video. Some this is a break continuation control loops. Okay, conditional and control loops. We cover everything. Break, continue, pass. This is the practical questions you need to practice. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. This video. Thank you for choosing HNM Technologies online training. Bye bye.